भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 161 टीका। परिणामवादस्य सृष्टि अनुसारेण स्वीकार्यत्वम् आशंक्य निरस्यति। परिणामवाद is to be accepted based on सृष्टि श्रुति. This is proposed by Purvapaksha, that is being refuted by Siddhanti. So what Purvapakshi wants to say is, because there is Srishti Shruti in Upanishad, creation is mentioned. Because creation is mentioned, therefore, and from Brahma, therefore, there is Parinama of Brahma. This is how it should be accepted. स्वीकार्यत्वम् आशंक्य निरस्यति। भूततो भूततो वापि सृज्यमाने समाश्रुतिः निश्चितं युक्तियुक्तं च यत्तद्भवति नेतरत्। भूततो अभूततो वापि सृज्यमाने श्रुति समा। If the creation is bhutatah or abhutatah, real creation or unreal creation, bhutatah abhutatah vapi सृज्यमाने श्रुति ही समा. In either case, Shruti will look the same. Real creation or unreal creation. निश्चितं युक्तियुक्तं च यत् तद्भवति। यद् निश्चितं यद् युक्तियुक्तं च तद्भवति। What will actually happen? Only that which is nishchitam and yuktiyuktam. Na itarat, not anything else. So, nishchitam means that which is well concluded, and yuktiyuktam means that which is logical. Only such thing is actually possible, not the other. Na itarat. See in टीका। परिणामवादे विवर्तवादे च सृष्टिश्रुतेः अविशेषात् अद्वैत अनुरोधी श्रुति युक्तिवशात् विवर्तवादस्य एव स्वीकर्तव्यता इति भावः। इन परिणामवाद और विवर्तवाद, परिणामवादे विवर्तवादे च सृष्टिश्रुतेः अविशेषात्। सृष्टि श्रुति will look the same whether it is following parinamavada or vivartavada. Like if I make a statement, Rajju became Sarpa. Rajju became Sarpa through Parinama. Rajju became Sarpa through Vivarta. If I don't say that through Parinama or through Vivarta, the rest of the thing is same. Rajju becomes Sarpa. Or if I say Rajju became Sarpa in unreality, or Rajju became Sarpa in reality, either way. So reality, unreality part, if it is not mentioned, the rest of the Shruti will look the same. सृष्टि श्रुते है अविशेषात् अद्वैत अनुरोधी श्रुति युक्ति वशात्। Therefore, which part should we accept? That which is advaita anurodhi, that which is not contradictory to advaita, and it is logical also. Advaita anurodhi shruti and yukti vashat. Based on that, vivartavadasyeva svikartavyata. We should accept that it can be only in vivarta. Creation can be only a vivarta, not a parinama. Iti bhava. सृष्टि श्रुतेः अद्वैत अनुगुण्ये प्रमाण युक्ति अनुगृहीतम् अद्वैतम् एव अभ्युपगन्तव्यम् इति फलितम् आह। सृष्टि श्रुतेः अद्वैत अनुगुण्ये, सृष्टि श्रुति it is अद्वैत अनुगुण्ये, अद्वैत अनुगुण्ये in revealing Advaita. Anuguni means bringing more value to Advaita. Such Shruti Shruti which does not contradict Advaita. Pramana Yukti Anugrahitam Advaitam eva abhipagantavyam. Based on pramana and yukti. Pramana yukti anugrahitam advaitam eva abhipagantavyam svikartavyam iti phalitamaha nishchitamiti. Shloka vyavartyam shankam darshayati nanu iti. So now Tika is complete on the Karika. Now Bhashya is on Karika. ननु अजातिवादिनः सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका श्रुति न संगच्छते प्रामाण्यम। अजातिवादिनः, those who are we Advaitin, अजातिवादीन. Purvapakshi says, for you सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका श्रुति cannot be pramanika. सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका श्रुति ही प्रामाण्यम न संगच्छते। टिप्पणी 2 नंबर। प्रामाण्यम क्रिया विशेषणम एतत् यद्वा आदधाना सति इति शेषः। प्रामाण्यम न संगच्छते, प्रामाण्यम इज क्रिया विशेषण says, so it will go with kriyapada, it is विशेषण for kriyapada, or other way you can just use it with shruti. Shruti hi pramanyam na sangacchate. Shruti will not be pramanika, so shruti hi प्रामाण्यम न आदधाति, न आदधाना। टीका। यदि आत्मा कार्याकारेण न जायते तर्हि सृष्टि श्रुति ही अश्लिष्टा स्यात् इत्यर्थः। इफ आत्मा कार्य आकारेण न जायते, इफ आत्मा इज नॉट born in the form of some कार्य, तर्हि then सृष्टि श्रुति ही अश्लिष्टा स्यात्, सृष्टि श्रुति will become अश्लिष्ट। 7 नंबर टिप्पणी। असंगता स्वार्थ प्रच्युता इति यावत्, सृष्टि श्रुति will become inappropriate, it will deviate from its main meaning। स्वार्थ अप्रच्युता स्यात् इत्यर्थः। सृष्टि अनुवादिनी श्रुति ही अस्ति इति अंगीकरोति। सृष्टि अनुवादिनी श्रुति ही अस्ति, देयर इज सच श्रुति which talks about creation, that is accepted, अंगीकरोति। अंगीकरोति कहा अंगीकरोति? हाँ, भाष्यकारः अंगीकरोति। बाढ़म विद्यते सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका श्रुति है। देर आर श्रुति वाक्यस विच आर सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका। ठीक है। तस्याः मिथ्या सृष्टि अनुवादित्वेन कथम उपपत्तिः इति आशंका। तस्याः मिथ्या सृष्टि अनुवादित्वेन, मिथ्या सृष्टि अनुवादित्वेन, if shruti vakya talks about mithya srishti, means srishti which is not there, its anuvada is done by shruti, because we have accepted that there is creation, so shruti does anuvada. This is possible iti आशंक्याः। सा तु अन्यपरा, सा सृष्टि प्रतिपादिका श्रुति ही अन्यपरा, इट हैज सम अदर ऑब्जेक्टिव, अदर प्रयोजनम। कथम अद्वैत परत्वेन सृष्टि श्रुतेः उपपत्तिः इति आशंक्य आह। अद्वैत परत्वेन सृष्टि श्रुति, how can they be advaita paraka shruti? How can it be revealing advaitam? इति आशंक्याः उपायः सोवताराय इति अवोचाम। सृष्टि श्रुति is upaya to reveal advaitam. So to teach advaitam, some or the other upaya is taken up by the shruti. One of the upaya is srishti shruti. Another upaya is karma, upasana. They all are a preparation for अद्वैत. Upayah sovataraya iti avochama. We have already said upayah sovataraya नास्ति भेद कथंचन. टीका. यदि सृष्टिश्रुतेः अद्वैतपरत्वेन तद विरोध समाधि अधस्तादेव उक्तौ तर्हि पुनश्चोद्यं तत्परिहारश्च अयुक्तौ पुनरुक्तेः इति आशंक्य आह. यदि इफ सृष्टिश्रुतेः अद्वैतपरत्वेन, सृष्टिश्रुति इज अद्वैतपरा, अद्वैतपरत्वेन तद विरोध समाधि, तद विरोधश्च समाधिश्च, समाधि मीन्स समाधानम, विरोध एंड समाधि मीन्स विरोध एंड विरोध परिहार, विरोध समाधानम. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. तस्मिन् अद्वैते सृष्टिश्रुतेः विरोधः तद विरोधः तद विरोध समाधिः इति पाठांतरम. तस्मिन् अद्वैते सृष्टिश्रुतेः विरोधः इज तद विरोधः, इह तद विरोध समाधिः इति पाठांतरम. So in one case samadhi is given a dirgha which is the moola patha, tad virodha samadhi, and the another pathantar is tad virodha samadhi is rasva with visarga. tad virodhasya samadhanam, samadhi tad virodhasya samadhanam is one part, virodha and samadhanam this is another part. Two types of readings are possible. So if Srishti Shruti is Advaita Para and the Virodha Samadhanam is already said, Adhastat means earlier. Earlier, if the opposition and its solution are already spoken, Tarhi Punaschodyam Tad Pariharascha, once again that objection and its refutation is Ayukta. Why again? Some people don't get message, you know, if you tell them once, they don't understand. You have to tell them again. Still they don't understand. How many times you have to tell? Punaschodyam tad pariharascha ayuktau. Punaruktehe. Why? Because there is punarukti dosha iti ashankyaha. Idanim ukte api parihare punaschodya pariharo vivakshitartham prati सृष्टि श्रुति अक्षराणाम आनुलोम्य विरोध आशंका मात्र परिहारार्थौ. इदानीं now ukte api parihare, even though parihara was already given, punah chodya pariharo vivakshitartham, once again to show this objection and its refutation with that intention, vivakshitartham prati srishti shruti aksharanam anulomya virodha ashanka matra pariharartho. See tippani number 3 and 4. 3 vivakshitartham advaita rupam srishti mithyatva rupam va ityartha. What is the vivakshita artha? Advaita rupam srishti mithyatva rupam va. And anulomyam means samanjasyam upapannarthakatvam iti yavat. Samanjasyam means there is samanjasa, both of them are in agreement. Samanjasyam upapannarthakatvam iti yavat. So now you see the vakya in Moolam. Punaschodya pariharau, objection and its refutation विवक्षितार्थम प्रति सृष्टि श्रुति अक्षराणाम आनुलोम्य विरोध शंका मात्र परिहारार्थौ. So this again the objection and refutation is in connection with the Srishti Shruti. So earlier when the Upaya Sovataraya, it was mentioned, it was said in 15th Karika, I think.
Yes.
So in 15th Karika, when it was said that creation is for the sake of bringing Advaita in Buddhi. Now, when it is said, so creation is accepted, but this creation is Parinamavada or Vivartavada, that was not clarified earlier. So now it is being clarified that what is the purpose of Srishti Shruti then. It is Buddhi Grahya Upaya, Buddhi Grahanartham. In Buddhi, such clarity should come. So, Virodha Ashanka Matra Parihararthau. So, if such Virodha comes, then the Parihara is being done. Ukte api Parihare, even though Parihara was said earlier, Punaha Chodya Pariharau Vivakshitartham Prati Srishti Shruti Aksharanam Anulomya. Srishti Shruti Akshara, they all are, their samanjasya should be understood. So for that sake, they are brought in. How? See further in Tika. Mithya Srishtivade Shruti Padanam Asrujata Abhavat Ityadinam Asamanjasya Virodha Ashankayam Tavan Matram Parihartum Punaschodya Pariharau Ityartha. Once again, the objection and its refutation is for this purpose. What is the purpose? Mithya Srishti Vade, when it is said the Srishti is Mithya. Shruti Padanam Asrujata Abhavat. So those Shruti Vakya, they are not actually talking about creation. Asrujata Abhavat. Ityadinam asamanjasya virodha ashankaya. So somebody will say, okay, that means Srishti Shruti is there. It is not talking about Srishti. That is called apramanika. It is saying something which is not there. Like if somebody says, there is snake, there is sarpaha, which is not there. So you are talking of something which is not there, then your vakya will become apramanika. That is called asamanjasya. Asamanjasya virodha ashanka one would have. And therefore, only to refute that part, Tavan Matram Parihartum Punaschodya Pariharau Ityartha. And that's why once again this point is brought up. Many times we may think that if Shruti is talking about something which is not there, it is apramanika. How do you take that Shruti as pramana? If Shruti talks about Dvaitam and that Dvaitam is not there, then it will be apramanika. So it is said no. Tika. Bhashya. Bhutatah parmarthatah srijyamane vastuni abhutatah mayayava mayavina iva srijyamane vastuni sama tulya srishti shrutihi. So first Siddhanti makes statement whether the creation is Paramartha. Paramartha means actual. Because for all other darshanas other than Advaitin, everybody has accepted creation as Paramarthika. It is real. Everything is real. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Purva Mimamsa and Vishishtadvaita, Dvaitadvaita, Shuddhadvaita, Dvaita, Shivadvaita, all of them, Vaishnava, everybody says creation is real. Everybody says creation is real. So because creation is real, therefore, Shruti here is trying to separate ourselves from them. It means we Advaitin, we interpret it in different way. They say it is Paramarthataha. We say even if creation is through Maya, Paramarthataha srijyamane vastuni or Maya vina iva srijyamane vastuni. Either way, if creation is done, Tulya Sama Shruti, Shruti will be same. Srishti Shruti will not have any difference. Maya hyesha maya srishta ityadivat tejo asrujata iti Shruti. Avagraha is needed. Maya hyesha maya srishta ityadivat tejo asrujata. Avagraha before srujata iti Shruti. So this 10 and 11 number tippani you see. Virodha matram iti yavat. Virodha matra parihara is then done. How? Maya hyesha, Maya hi esha maya srishta. This is the complete shloka. Maya hyesha maya srishta yanmam pashyasi narada sarva bhuta gunair yuktam naivam mam mantum arhasi iti padya shesha. Bhagavan is telling, Bhagavan Narayana is telling Naradji. What is he saying? Maya hi esha maya srishta. This creation is done by me. How? Tat tejo asrujata. Paramatma created teja, apa, annam, ityadi. So creation is there. But Maya, this is Maya. Bhagavan himself has admitted this is Maya. Means this is illusory creation. This is not real. Further, Satchatyacha bhavat iti Shrutistu Devadatto Vyagro abhavat itivat. And this Taittiriya Upanishad Shruti says Satchatyacha bhavat Niruktam cha nilayanam cha nilayanam cha. What kind of Shruti is this? He says such Shruti is talking about Devadatta became a tiger. Devadatto Vyagro abhavat itivat. Now obviously when somebody says Devadatta became Vyagra, so you will think a man cannot become a tiger in the same body. So either he was Devadatta in the previous Janma and in this Janma he became Vyagra, or he is doing some drama as acting and man appears on stage as tiger. Something is there. You cannot just take this statement literally. Shrutistu Devadatto Vyagro abhavat itivat. 12 number tippani. Andrite api Vyaghratvasya Devadatte abhavat iti prayogo yatha tadha ihapi ityartha. That Vyagratva of Devadatta is Andrita. It is erroneous, illusory. But Vakya Prayoga will be like this only. Devadatta became Vyagra. Vakya prayoga will not change. अनृतत्वे अपि देवदत्तस्य व्याघ्रत्वे अव्याघ्रत्वस्य देवदत्ते अभवत्. देवदत्ते व्याघ्रत्वस्य अनृतत्वे अपि. In this way you have to do अन्वय. So the Vakya will sound the same. There won't be any change in the Vakya. न च सत्यत्वं विशेषणम् अत्र उपलभ्यते. Satyatvam Visheshanam is not there. Means there is nothing which says really he became Vyagra. Devadatta became Vyagra. In the same way, there is no Visheshana which says really creation has come. Creation has come. Only that much is said. Tena Mayamayam Srishta विष्टायाम अपि सृष्टि श्रुति ही श्लिष्टा इत्यर्थः. सृष्टा विष्टायाम इज एक वन वर्ड. समास. तेन मायामय्याम सृष्टौ इष्टायाम अपि. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सृष्टि इज देयर? मायामय सृष्टि. मायामय्याम सृष्टौ इष्टायाम. मायामयी सृष्टि इज इष्ट. Ishtayam api. And in this way, Srishti Shruti will become Shlishta. Means it will be clean. It will be untainted. Gauna Mukhyayor Mukhye Sampratyaya iti Nyayam Ashritya Shankate. Gauna Mukhyayoho Mukhye Sampratyaya. Between Gauna interpretation and Mukhya interpretation. Shruti is talking about Srishti. That Srishti is Gauna or that Srishti is Mukhya. In this way, if two possibilities are there, Purva Pakshi says you should take Mukhya Artha. Why are you taking Gauna Artha? Gauna Mukhyayoho Mukhya Sampratyaya iti Nyayam. This is the general rule. Ashritya Shankate. Purva Pakshi does Shanka. Nanu Gauna Mukhyayoho Mukhya Shabdartha Pratipatti hi Yukta. Between Gauna and Mukhya, Shabdartha Pratipatti understanding should be in Mukhya Artha, not in Gauna Artha. Tika. Agnir Manavaka ityatra Manavake Agni Shabda Prayoge api. Agnim Anaya ityadi Prayoge Prathamam वन्नी प्रतीतेर मुख्यमेव प्रथमं प्रतिभाति इति. मुख्ये पदव्युत्पत्तेर मुख्यार्थतया सत्या सृष्टेः एष्टव्या इत्यर्थः. एष्टव्या. व्य शुड बी देयर. एष्टत्या is there. Instead make it एष्टव्या. Means ya you have to make as va. Srishtihi eštavya. So how the sentence will read? Agnir Manavaka ityatra. In this vakya, Agni is Manavaka. Agnir Manavaka ityatra Manavake Agni Shabda Prayoge. In Manavaka, if there is Agni Shabda Prayoga, Manavaka is this child, young boy. So Siddhanti is explaining, if such Vakya is heard, you don't take मुख्य अर्थ of Agni as Manavaka. In Mukhya Artha, there is problem. So you have to take some Gauna Artha. Agnir Manavaka ityatra Manavake Agni Shabda Prayoge api Agnim Anaya ityadi Prayoge. So Agnir Manavaka is said. Then somebody says Agnim Anaya, bring some Agni. So what is that person expected to do? He will not bring this Manavaka, this Brahmachari, young Batu. Ityadi prayoge pratham vanni pratitehe mukhyameva prathamam pratibhati. What comes to my mind is the real Agni, not this Gauna Manavaka Agni. Mukhyameva prathamam pratibhati iti mukhye padavyutpattehe मुख्यार्थतया सत्या सृष्टे एष्टव्या. सत्य सृष्टि शुड बी अंडरस्टूड. पूर्व पक्षी आशंका. मुख्य सृष्टि अंगीकारे अपि सत्या सृष्टि ही न सिद्ध्यति. 13 नंबर टिप्पणी. भूरि प्रयोग विषयत्वम मुख्यत्वम. मुख्यत्व मीन्स what is maximum number of time said. More and more what is said is mukhya artha. What is rarely said is gauna artha. So creation, Purva Pakshi says, every time if you say there is creation, there is creation, mukhya artha is something is created. Ghato utpadyate, ghata is created. Like that, srishti, jagat utpadyate. Purvapakshi says you should take mukhya artha. Somewhere you may take gauna artha. मुख्यार्थतया सत्या सृष्टि ही अष्टव्या इत्यर्थः. मुख्य सृष्टि अंगीकारे अपि सत्या सृष्टि न सिद्ध्यति. सिद्धांति will say in this way that even if you take mukhya srishti, creation is what you understand and I understand as creation. But creation is really created or not, in that we have to think. So satya srishti hi na siddhyati. Mukhya artha you take, but it is not satya. Asmat pakshe satyayaha srishtehe सृष्टि शब्दार्थत्वेन अप्रसिद्धत्वात् इति परिहरति. इन आवर पक्ष सत्यायाः सृष्टेः सृष्टि शब्दार्थत्वेन अप्रसिद्धत्वात्. इन वेदांत मत, अद्वैत मत, anywhere if there is creation, we never accept it as satya srishti. It is always accepted as mithya only. सत्यायाः सृष्टेः सृष्टि शब्दार्थत्वेन अप्रसिद्धता. It is never prasiddha, never known that creation means real creation. Why do we say that? Because we say it is already there, it is satkaryavada. It was already there, it just appears and it is going to disappear, no matter what. Iti pariharati na ityadina. Na, Siddhanti says, no, this is not true. अन्यथा सृष्टेः अप्रसिद्धत्वात् निष्प्रयोजनत्वाच्च इति अवोचाम. So this part, अन्यथा सृष्टेः and this निष्प्रयोजनत्वात्, that portion, from there we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।